I'm John G. from Hastings Hotline Tools. Here we've got a new product. This is our round Tel-O-Pole. What we've changed on this is most of the sections now have a couple button holes to lock the buttons in on. So when you are locking the button in, and if you don't know by now, this wing screw, the butterfly on the wing screw, is where your buttons are going to line up. So when you're running your extendo out, this first section only has one button hole on it. All the rest of them are going to have two, 180 degrees apart. So when you get up here and you're ready to lock that button into the hole, there's this choice, or 180 degrees is a second choice. That way it's a little quicker. You don't have to swing the stick all the way around or re-grip to get around to the buttonhole. You've got 180 degree choices, and that runs through all the way through all the sections down to the base.